Okay guys, Easy Amateur Radio here, and today we're going to talk about this. This is an M0JKS ruggedized mini microphone for the Elecraft KX2 and KX3. It is a tip ring sleeve. It comes with the microphone itself, this little keeper cable, a 3.5 millimeter tip ring sleeve connector on both ends, and this is what connects into the KX2, KX3, and this little baggie to hold it all in. Mine's a little dirty. But that's what we're looking at with this little dude. Let's get it on the air, see what it sounds like on another radio, and then we are gonna go make some contacts on the big antenna. I'll put a link for this and to show you what the description on eBay looks like. It's a pretty good, it's definitely 3D printed, but it's a very professionally done job. I really like it. I don't know how they make it so cheap. Got a nice big microphone area right here, up, down buttons, and a nice clicky PTT. So we're gonna go ahead and tune this thing up to my voice. We'll test it out on another radio, and we'll go make a few contacts. 73, everybody. All right, so now we're on the bench. We have the KX3 and the 705. We're going to use the 705 to monitor what we sound like and maybe adjust it just a touch. I have the compression turned on. I have my mic gain set on the Elecraft with the little tiny mic. And let's hear how it sounds just radio to radio. This is going into a dummy load. It's putting out 0.1 of a watt, so shouldn't be any real big problems hearing anything or anything like that. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Audio check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Audio check. Check, check. Audio check. Kilo India 5. Whiskey Echo Sierra for a radio check. So there you go. You can see we're PTT in the radio. You can hear it on the radio in the back. Everything's sounding good. So let's go try to make a few contacts with this on the big antenna. So we've got a POTA station right here. We're going to see if we can't work him. So let's see if he can pull us out. We're giving it all the 10 watts she's got.
Okay, well, thanks for the contact from Wyoming. That's my, I just changed over to 20 from operating on 40. And had trouble finding a spot without some QRM, but I think I've got a clear spot here. So thanks for stopping by, 73, bye.
We are using this little tiny mic.
You went from 5.9 down to about an S3. Let's see how it goes. This is Kilo Charlie 9, Lima Charlie, parked on the air. Charlie dead.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
The station ending with Oscar.
A lot of up and down. A lot of up and down. This is not good amateur practice. Don't tune up on frequency.
5.9, Jeffrey, into the park, USL. All right, buddy. Thanks for the 5-7 Louisiana and 73. This is Kilo Charlie 9, Lima Charlie, QRZ.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
The Kilo India 5 station again.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra. Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Okay, Wes, KI5WES. You are 5 and 7 in the park, USL.
Roger, roger. I have you at 5555 into Lima Alpha, Louisiana. 2 Louisiana stations back to back.
Well, it must be a good propagation of Louisiana today. So thanks for stopping in here in 73, buddy.
Yes, sir. 73. Thanks for being out there.
Yeah, it's a rainy day today, but I'm in an RV at the state park, so I guess I can't complain. I'll look for you down the wall.
Yeah, you saw how he faded out like that. A lot of fading going on. But guys, that was with the M0JKS, I believe, microphone. We're going to try to make a few more contacts and see what we can find. Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra. Long dramatic pause. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. You're the first one I heard. That's your call, correct?
QSL, the call is correct. QSL, you're a 494949 Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
QSL, the 49 into Louisiana. You are also a 49 into my park. US 0735 and US 4556. QSL?
QSL, I got both your parks. 73. Well, there you go. The little mic's still chugging along. It's 2 POTA stations. Let's see what we can do.
73, thanks for the call. Whiskey Delta 2 Echo, parks on the air.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Again?
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
The Whiskey Echo Sierra?
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Okay, I got you there, Weston. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. You're 5-5, but I got a lot of QSB here today.
Roger. I have you a 5-1 51 Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
Thanks a lot there, Wes. I appreciate the call.
7-3, my friend.
Whiskey Delta.
So I don't know if we faded out on that one on him, but we're making it with this little mic. This is a great little mic. I do recommend it if you want a lightweight mic. I have the K6 ARK style microphones as well. We're going to try to do a video on that as well with that. But this is the one off of eBay for the eBay untested Elecraft KX3. It's working great. I don't have any complaints about it. Cool little unit. Easy Amateur Radio, guys. 73.